Hi everybody. We're gonna go through the Ruby's pantry or the pantry haul for June. So we started with this frozen pizza was frozen. So I'm gonna have Russ pop this in the oven right away. And then, yes, Maggie's checking out the bag of sausages. I'm assuming these are the same jalapeno cheddar, Russ? I don't know. I don't remember. Do you remember what the box said?
I do not know.
Okay, well we've gotten those before. They aren't terrible. And we have 2 containers of banana and almond butter Go Macro. These are actually really good. And there's 12 in each, so we have 2 of those. Okay. And then 2 more pizzas. And I'm gonna get these in the freezer right away. A Jack's and an I don't know. All right, K-cups. Those are actually wonderful to get. Somebody made a comment they don't get them, and I'm sorry you don't get them. I wish you would. Let's see. Then big jar of banana peppers. Those are great for Italian beef sandwiches. I think I have to recan these though. You know, put them in smaller jars. Pickles. Kosher dill, refrigerator. I'm gonna pause and get that in the fridge. These have to get in the fridge. Frosted cookies. Russ likes those, which is good. Texas toast, which is great. I always make French toast with this. White bread, which is great for sandwiches. Hamburger buns, they were at the bottom of the box when we pulled them out, so they look kind of rough, but bun's a bun. Hot and spicy noodles. I've never eaten these. I see a lot of people eating them. So we'll try it. What is this? Oh, chicken flavor. Okay. We'll try it. We like spicy stuff. Angel hair pasta. That's good. Especially on hot days. It's a good side dish. Or like a grilled chicken or something. Ready pasta. Oh, fully cooked. How do you do that? Okay. Oh, I'll have to reread that. Microwave. Okay, that's cool. Never thought of that. Stuffing, beautiful for one of my casseroles. I put it online. I think it's called Pantry casserole. It's like a chicken and stuffing and gravy. It's so good. But I should have needed chicken stuffing and gravy, but I didn't. 2 containers of ranch. These are toaster pastries. We've gotten these before. They're very good. 2 containers of snickerdoodles. Container of grits. Lollipops. Lollipop. And we actually got 4 containers of pretzel rods, but we were eating one on the ride home because we haven't eaten today. All right, so that's what we got. That's it for this one. Short video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, please. I will definitely answer them for you. Okay? All right. I think I got it all. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.